Across the silent, unending darkness of space, one small solitary spacecraft continues a journey no human has ever taken. More than 18 billion kilometers from Earth, Voyager 1 drifts alone, our most distant ambassador to the stars, a tiny whisper from humanity carried on the cosmic wind. Launched nearly half a century ago, this remarkable machine has rewritten our understanding of the universe. It was designed for a 4-year mission, a brief glance at our celestial neighbors, but it becomes something more, something epic. It is now traveling through true interstellar space, the vast mysterious ocean between the stars. Voyager 1's incredible story begins back in 1977, during what many call NASA's golden age of exploration. The planets were aligning in a way that happens only once every 175 years, creating a rare cosmic highway. It was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for a grand tour of the solar system. The mission was originally designed for a quick study of Jupiter and Saturn, but it would evolve into the greatest journey of exploration in human history. On September 5, 1977, a powerful Titan Centaur rocket ignited, lifting Voyager 1 from its launch pad at Cape Canaveral and carrying it into the boundless sky. This wasn't just another launch, it was the beginning of an odyssey, a testament to human ingenuity and our unyielding desire to know what lies beyond our world. Strapped aboard this intrepid traveler were state-of-the-art cameras and scientific instruments designed to probe the mysteries of the gas giants, but it also carried something deeply human: the golden record. This gold-plated copper disc is a time capsule, a message in a bottle intended for any future civilization that might stumble upon it. It contains sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth, music from around the world, greetings in 55 languages, and the sounds of whales, waves, and laughter. It is our hello to the cosmos. In 1979, after a journey of nearly 2 years, Voyager 1 reached the colossal king of our solar system, Jupiter. Its cameras sent back breathtaking images that forever changed our view of this giant world. We saw its great red spot not as a static feature but as a swirling complex storm larger than our entire planet. More astonishingly, Voyager discovered active volcanic eruptions on Jupiter's moon Io, the first time volcanic activity had ever been observed anywhere other than Earth. The mission revealed a dynamic and violent world far more complex than we had ever imagined. A year later, Voyager 1 arrived at the majestic ringed planet Saturn. The images it returned were nothing short of art. They revealed the intricate structure of Saturn's rings, showing they were composed of thousands of individual ringlets braided and twisted by the gravitational dance of tiny shepherd moons. The spacecraft also made a close flyby of Saturn's largest moon, Titan, revealing a world shrouded in a thick nitrogen-rich atmosphere, hinting at a place with complex chemistry and perhaps even liquid on its surface. The encounter with Titan was a critical turning point. The gravitational pull from the flyby flung Voyager 1 onto a new trajectory, sending it hurtling up and out of the plane of the solar system. Its planetary mission was over from that moment on. Its path carried it away from the planets, beginning its long, lonely journey toward the edge of the sun's influence into the great unknown for decades. Voyager 1 drifted silently outward. It became our first and only sentinel at the solar system's frontier, constantly measuring the solar wind, the stream of charged particles flowing from the sun and cosmic radiation. It was charting territory that was completely new to science, venturing into a region known as the Helios heat, the turbulent outer boundary of our solar system where the solar wind begins to clash with the interstellar medium. Then, in August 2012, something extraordinary happened. The data streaming back from Voyager 1 showed a sudden and dramatic change. The levels of solar particles dropped to almost zero, while the intensity of high-energy cosmic rays from outside our solar system shot up. After years of anticipation, the science team at NASA confirmed that Voyager 1 had crossed heliopause. It had officially entered interstellar space, becoming the first human-made object ever to do so. It was a monumental achievement, a quiet leap for humankind into the galactic neighborhood. Voyager's discoveries in this new realm were profound. The data it sent back revealed that interstellar space is far from empty. It's a turbulent energetic environment filled with plasma waves and magnetic fields that are much stronger and more dynamic than scientists had expected. It was as if Voyager had sailed from the calm waters of a harbor into a stormy sea. It was a new chapter not just for the spacecraft but for all of astronomy. Today, Voyager 1 is over 18 billion kilometers away, a distance so vast it's difficult to comprehend. Light itself, the fastest in the universe, takes more than 22 hours to travel from the spacecraft to Earth. When Mission Control sends a command, they have to wait nearly 2 full days for a response. It's a conversation across an unimaginable void. And yet, that conversation continues. A dedicated team of engineers, many of whom have worked on the mission for decades, still manage the aging spacecraft. They are masters of ingenuity, rewriting old software to overcome technical glitches and finding clever ways to conserve the last precious bits of its fading power. It's a labor of love, a commitment to keeping this faint but vital voice alive, but time is running out. Voyager is powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, a nuclear battery that has served it faithfully for nearly 5 decades, but its power is slowly fading. One by one, to save energy, its scientific instruments and eventually its transmitter will have to be shut down forever. Sometime in the 2030s, Voyager 1 will fall silent. Its final whisper will fade into the background noise of the cosmos, and our lost link to our farthest explorer will be broken, but its journey will not end. It will continue to travel silently through the Milky Way galaxy, a ghost ship sailing endless ocean. In about 40,000 years it will pass near a star called Gliese 445. It will be just a distant flyby, but it will be another milestone on its eternal voyage, and it will still carrying the golden record, our greeting to the universe, waiting patiently for a discovery that may never come for billions of years. Voyager 1 will wander the galaxy long after its creators and their world are gone. It will become a relic, an ancient artifact of a curious species that once looked up at the stars and dared to reach for them. Voyager 1 is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of our relentless spirit of exploration, our innate desire to push beyond boundaries and to see what lies over the next horizon. It represents the best of us, our curiosity, our ambition, and our hope. This is the enduring legacy of Voyager 1, the farthest traveler humanity has ever launched, our silent emissary to the stars.